7, 8, 9, 10. Hotdog, thank you! Renzi, good morning! Helicopter. ASAP. Nag-breakfast na ba kayo? Kumain na kayo? Ba't hindi pa? Walang nag-i-eat well. Tangina mo, Eros.
We have just received word the album by
Green Apple.
will not.
Natawa kay Eros, parang gago.
No gas, 89 price on the ticket. Exercise, eat all my vegetables, cause I'm decibel about hit it. Stun up by the hunters, gonna coming on fast. Shut it, gon' bag it, lick it. Get red packet, ship it. Nigga from rack to riches, don't shit. Act like you on no rush.
William. Makakailang box tayo today? Wala, natawa ako sa ano.
I'm about to get money, but
Magre-red box tayo today, no? Or blue box. Pili kayo.
like I could be Jim. They looking around like that could be them. Lot of options around and you could be them. If we talking about pockets, you know my fat.
Kailangan natin i-manifest yan. Payag ka pa, hindi. Hayop ka, di sana matagal na, di ba?
Me, in my white T.O. spinning like a helicopter. In my white T.O. spinning like a helicopter. Fuck with your pretty fly or pretty pop, yeah. Fuck with that pretty fly or pretty pop, In my white T.O. spinning like a
Father, ang aga mo, may pasok ka.
T.O. spinning like a helicopter. Fuck with
Hear
your
you.
pretty fly or pretty pop, yeah. Fuck with that pretty fly or pretty pop.
Ang ingay talaga, Vince. Pwede bang kalmado lang? Alas 6 pa lang ng umaga eh. Ma. Anong oras, Father? Wait. Ito na lang. The weekend. Ay, ang aga. Bakit anong oras ba yung misa mo? Date na nga gising. Nakagising mo lang ba?